Hello everyone, my name is Prathamesh and today we are going to start with our first video in our playlist called as ROS to Basics. In this video series or in this playlist, we will be covering everything starting from the installation to creating your first package, creating node, how the nodes communicate with each other, how to create action services, how to use some of the packages such as Move It or Gazebo, or maybe how to use the packages which is already online by created by someone else and how to make your own changes. So all of these basics, so whatever is needed for you to get started with your project that you're currently working on will be covered in this playlist. For more detail, we will have a separate playlist for more advanced stuff regarding the microcontrollers or creating the bridge between ROS and ROS2. We have dedicated different videos for it. But this video or this playlist will specifically focus just on the basics of ROS2. Starting with this video, we will be talking about installation of ROS2 in Ubuntu 22.04. So let's get started. Before we start with the installation, let me just get you through the good documentation which ROS already have provided you for the installation of ROS2. So moving on to the documentation, if you see here that we are using Humble Hawksbill ROS2 distribution. So this distribution we're using for the Ubuntu 22.04. If you're using 20.04, then you have to use the Foxy documentation. So I mean, you have to just go to the Foxy one. But for 22.04, you want to use this one. So I will be linking this documentation to the description below, so you just can refer to it. And then you have a couple of instructions over here on how to install it. So for example, how to set up sources, set up local, then installing the ROS2 packages itself and all these things. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy paste it into the command line and I'm going to try to install it. So if you wonder if why did some of the commands come in, so you can obviously go and read this, but I will explain in a very short as we go ahead. So let's first start by opening the terminal using Control Alt T. And once you open it, the first thing what you want to do is you want to set the local. So just whatever command they have put for set local, copy paste it and Control Shift V. Control Shift V is what you use to paste something in your command. And so first of all, it is asking me for the password for parallels, which is okay. Yeah. Okay. Done. Now I want to set up sources. So again, the same thing for setting up the sources, just copy the command and say Control Shift V, enter to continue. After this one, you want to add the ROS2 GPG key with apt. Now the other step would be that we want to add this repository to the source list. So we want to echo it to the source list. So that's done. Now what I want to do is now I want to update the repositories. And now I would like to upgrade them as well. So done. Now we want to install the complete ROS package, and for this you would now have three options. So if I go here, you will have these three options such as Humble Desktop, ROS Base and DevTools. So what you want to do is you want to stick to desktop because it has everything. So you can see a ROS, RVS, demos, tutorials. So because we are going to use all the demos and tutorials, it would be nice that if you can have the complete package installed if you are not a beginner anymore. So yeah, in that case, and you know which package would you need for your project. In that case, by all means go by base or just with the DevTools where you just have the compilers and compilers to and other tools to build the ROS package. That's it. But in our case, we're just going to do everything. So let's just copy this again and same thing, paste it and say yes. And now we might have to wait for some time. Now, after you have done all the installation part, you will just check it once if this works. So I would say that you want to check what ROS distro you have, so what ROS version you have. So just this command, such as print environment ROS distro, and just press enter, and then you will see Humble. And if this is the case, then you do not have to worry about it. Now the most important way is to check if the ROS is installed is to run ROS core, and that was on ROS 1. But as ROS 2 is different, it does not work as ROS 1, but we will talk about that in the upcoming videos. But for this video, you have the ROS environment installed. It was pretty simple. Just refer to the documentation and you shall be fine. See you in the next video. Bye.